Hey guys, today we're doing a video about, the hit is on my head. We're going to do let me grab something. A skincare routine with all of these over here, but you don't see them. That's why I'm wearing a hat, so I don't have to get the things from my skin on my hair, because that's going to be messed up, Okay, so I'm going to show you what I have, and I'm going to use for my skin. Here we have the face oil is right here. That is the cleanser water for your face, only for your face, okay? Okay, next one, we have the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Face with vitamin C, because vitamin C is good for your skin. Hello, use this. This is the good. That's where you see those little things in here. That's for the vitamin C. This is the DIY Scroll Lip Balm in your lips right here to make it soft. And it's a honey one. Next, I'm going to do this selfie mask, which is it's a cute panda. Oh, I gotta control my talking right there. Okay, so this is from Who's That Girl? Because it's right here. Didn't even tell you that. Well, you have this stuff right here, so we can just do it for our face. This is for to dry your face, and I'm gonna show you this. These are the pads. Wait, we're only using the pads right now. This doesn't matter right now. This is my skincare routine every weekend I use, and I'm gonna upload it today because today is Sunday. Duh! Every week I do it simple. I only use a soap cleanser and the moisturizers for my face to not be dry, because if you let it be dry, it's gonna be itchy. So you always gotta moisturize your skin. That's the best way to take care of your skin. Don't leave it dry though. These are the moisturizers I use. These are the what the? I thought I left it like this, but I always leave it like this when I show you guys. Like, seriously, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. Next week is spring break, and I have a surprise. I'm going to vacation. It's gonna be exciting over there, and I'm gonna have the millions of fun. It's gonna be so exciting, and even I can bring you guys and show you where I'm going to vacation this year. This is my first 2019 vacation. I'm just going to continue with my skincare routine. This is going to be so exciting, and this feels soft after I added the oil. It feels really soft. Now let's put it on for reals. My skin feels so soft. My sister is here, but yeah, she just woke up. I don't know why she woke up, but she couldn't just stay asleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much for tips that you can take care of your skin. And you know, you always gotta keep that skin moisturized. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and yeah, make sure to subscribe too, so you can stay more connected with us. And make sure to stay tuned if you want to see my spring break vacation where I'm going. So see ya. Bye. See ya next video.
Out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind.